sklearn. Decomposition. Dict Learning Online. Description. The Dict Learning Online function performs online dictionary learning, which is a method for finding a set of atoms or dictionary elements that can be used to sparsely represent the input data. This method is particularly useful for large datasets where it is impractical to process all data at once. It iteratively updates the dictionary and the sparse coding of the data points. Inputs. X a 2D array of shape n samples. N features representing the input data. Each row corresponds to a data point. N components, an integer representing the number of atoms or dictionary elements to learn. Outputs. Code a 2D array of shape n samples. N components representing the sparse codes for each data point. Each row contains the coefficients that linearly combine the dictionary atoms to reconstruct the corresponding data point. Dictionary a 2D array of shape n components. N features representing the learned dictionary atoms. Each row corresponds to an atom. Steps. Initialization. The algorithm starts with a randomly initialized dictionary. Iterative update. The algorithm iteratively updates the dictionary and the sparse codes based on the current data point. Sparse coding for each data point. The algorithm finds the sparse code that minimizes the reconstruction error using an online optimization method, e.g., FISTA. Dictionary update. The dictionary is updated by minimizing the reconstruction error over all data points seen so far. Convergence. The algorithm continues updating the dictionary and sparse codes until convergence is reached. This can be determined by monitoring the reconstruction error or the dictionary update. Metrics. Reconstruction error. The difference between the original data and the reconstructed data using the learned dictionary and sparse codes. It measures the accuracy of the representation. Sparsity. The number of non-zero elements in the sparse codes. It measures the degree of sparsity achieved in representing the data. Visualization plots. Scatter plot of the learned dictionary atoms. Histogram of the non-zero elements in the sparse codes. Fine-tune parameters. Alpha. A float representing the regularization parameter for the sparse coding. Higher values lead to sparser codes. Niter. An integer representing the maximum number of iterations to run the algorithm. Batch size. An integer representing the number of data points to use in each iteration. Smaller batch sizes can lead to faster convergence but may be less stable. Uncertainty methods. Not applicable. This algorithm does not directly provide uncertainty estimates. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Choosing the optimal number of dictionary atoms and components. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. If the number of atoms is too low, the dictionary might not be able to accurately represent the data. Conversely, if the number of atoms is too high, the representation might be less sparse and the algorithm might overfit the data. Fixes to challenge 1. Experiment with different values of n components and evaluate the performance of the algorithm based on the reconstruction error and sparsity. Cross-validation can be used to find the optimal value. Challenge 2. Choosing the optimal regularization parameter alpha. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. A high value of alpha can lead to very sparse codes, which might not be able to capture all the information in the data. A low value of alpha can lead to less sparse codes, which might not be as interpretable. Fixes to challenge 2. Experiment with different values of alpha and evaluate the performance of the algorithm based on the reconstruction error and sparsity. Cross-validation can be used to find the optimal value.